up, guys? This is Will of Will H Tech Review, back with another video. And today I'm going to be unboxing the Apple iPad. So this came out in 2019. This is the iPad 7th generation iPad with Wi-Fi, 128 gigabytes of storage. Right now you can pick it up at Best Buy for $329. That's $100 off. I got the space gray one. And like I said, they have it on sale right now. You can get this for $329. Some of the product features: this has a 12.2 Retina display, A10 Fusion chip, Touch ID fingerprint sensor, 8 megapixel back camera, 1.2 megapixel front HD camera, stereo speakers, 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, and gigabit class. Don't have that one. Up to 10 hours battery life, lightning connector for charging accessories, and supports smart keyboard and Apple Pencil. So this one has been out for a while, and you guys know that I got rid of both of my iPad Pros, and my intention, the iPad Pro 11 was too small, but it had the amount of storage that I was needing, 256 gigabytes. My iPad Pro 12.9 was big enough, but it didn't have the amount of storage. So when I sold my 11-inch, I was planning on picking up the 12-inch again, either the 2020 or the 2018, with at least 256 gigabytes of storage. I was using my Microsoft Surface Go in between that, and I fell in love with Windows on a tablet form, so I ended up not getting the iPad Pro 12. I ended up getting the Microsoft Surface Pro 7 instead. And this has 128 gigabytes of storage. And I just love this form factor, and I love having Windows in this device like this. So check out my video unboxing of this. But I wanted to satisfy my Apple craze, so I picked up just a normal iPad. And this will work for me because my main device, traveling around device, throwing in my bag, is a 12.3 inch, the Surface Pro. Here's the box. These have been out since last year. There's a picture of the front of it. You got an iPad on that side, a little Apple symbol. And then on the back, iPad 7th generation Wi-Fi 128. So they have the 32 gigabyte for $249. I said, you know what? I may as well just go ahead and get the bigger version and it's at the normal price for the 32 gigabytes. So that's why I picked this one up. And this will definitely satisfy my Apple need. I think I can still edit a few videos with this, with LumaFusion. This has the A10 processor, which is an older processor. And you get your normal stuff here. You get your lightning cable. You get your booklets here. See what else all we got in here. So you get your get started guide here, another safety warranty information. And you get your all famous Apple stickers. And you get your charging brick here, which I'm quite sure everybody's seen these reviews already. This is your 12-watt charger. So you get all of that in the box. Let's get this box over to the side. And here is the 10.2 inch. So this is a big step down from what I'm used to using. But this will do for right now, since this is not going to be my main device. Very good size, and I think this will work. So let's go around it. Got your 2 speakers, stereo speakers, lightning port, something I'm gonna have to get used to. This one does have the pogo pins for your to hook up a keyboard. 3.5 millimeter headphone jack still on deck. Mic, power button, volume up and down. 8 megapixel camera on the rear with a mic, Apple logo. iPad there, 1.5 megapixel, I think, on the front, and just a nice compact size iPad. I do have the keyboard, Logitech keyboard, that I'm going to use with this. And that's how I'm gonna rock out. So I'm gonna power this up, and we're gonna take a look and see how much storage is on this device straight out the box. Okay guys, so we're back in. This is nice and sleek, man. It's small. I'm gonna have to get used to, I was complaining about the 11-inch being too small, but I'm definitely gonna have to get used to a 10.2. Now, like I said earlier, I'm gonna be using my Microsoft Surface Pro 7 as my main device. And so that's why I decided to pick up the smaller device that I have here. And I also still have my 10.5-inch Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. So for my Android fix here, I do have the Tab S6, as you can see. So the displays are, you know, pretty close to the same size, 10.2, 10.5. So these are like tablet size. But what I like with this one, I can still use my LumaFusion, things of that nature. So I set this up as a new iPad. I didn't restore anything. So let's go in and see how much storage we get out of the 128. So out of the 128, we get 116 out the box, which is not going to be bad. Do still have the home button right there. So it's going to take some getting used to, but I'm excited about it, getting a chance to use this again, because I did have the 9.7-inch display iPad from 2018. So, all right, guys, introduction to the iPad 7th generation 2019 to Will H Tech Review. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H.